What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell, got a U-Haul trailer and old man's truck right here, and it is about that time, man. Yes, the Foxbody is going away for a little bit, but don't worry, man, it's coming back. We're going to go drop the car off to paint right now, and the old man got a good deal on it, so here she is, man.
What you doing? What you doing?
Park or nothing. It hadn't started in I don't know how many months ago.
Months?
Yes, it hadn't started the last time.
Hell yeah. Real quick, man, we got this thing running nice. You want to talk about where we're sending it?
We're gonna go to Lone Star Customs in Mission, Texas. We'll give his name is Walter.
Yeah.
We'll give him a shout out when we get there. It was highly recommended from a co-worker of mine, works with me in the oil field. The guy does a lot of restorations on old cars. He was doing a 1952 T-Bucket. He's been doing a lot of other older cars. So he told me he could tackle this. He's a Mustang head. He said himself. So I told him I wanted to go in and try to get as much painted in the inside the compartment I can.
Yeah.
Because this motor's coming out. I'm going to be putting a 5.0 in it.
Gen 1 or Gen 2?
Gen 2. I'm going to go to Gen 2, but I was just talking to Chris right now. I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to drop it in with a blower. It's going to be ready to go.
Yeah.
Once I drop it in.
And this one's going to be 6 or 80.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And what paint coat are we going with, or are you going to wait to tell them?
Well.
You're going to keep it a secret?
We could. But,
so yeah, I don't know if we told you guys. Oh yeah. On the maiden voyage video, when I took it out, we got it inspected, everything like that. It's good to go. We put new tires on it. We were actually going to drive the car over there. It's about 2 hours away. And this car can make it, but I remember I told you guys that it's kind of making a noise in the rear end, so something might be wrong in the rear end. And let us know, guys, if y'all have. We need a complete 5-lug swap. So rear axle, the front knuckles from 94 to 95. We need a whole 5-lug swap. So if any of you guys have that, let us know. But yeah, the rear end's kind of making some noise, so we're like, yeah, let's not even chance it. Let's just get a trailer and take it over there. So we're gonna load this thing up on the trailer right now, and then 2-hour drive to Mission, Texas. Wait, it's not Mission, right? Where is it? Mission, Texas. So yeah, let's load this thing up. As you guys can tell, this thing's purring, man. It's shaking a little bit. Might just be a motor mount or something like that, but doesn't knock, doesn't tick, nothing. This little 5-liter is good, man.
no smoke, no nothing.
Good, dude. Not a freaking puff of smoke or nothing. Yeah, let's get this thing loaded up, and we'll see you guys once it's loaded. As you guys can see, boys, she's loaded up, ready for her new paint job. Let's go. All right, guys, right now we're almost to the destination, but the sunroof right here is kind of lifting up, so instead of losing it, I'm not sure if you guys remember when we did the sunroof, The tabs are kind of broken on one of them. It goes inside right here. It's not completely sealing, so the passenger side of the sunroof's kind of coming out, but we don't want to lose it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the sunroof off. 'Cause we're almost there. We don't want to lose it. Oh, that tab's completely gone.
The left side's coming up?
No, the left side's good. The right side's gone. Can you put it in there?
Yes, slide it in here. I'll put it in the back. I can either put it right here. I'm not gonna scratch your paint. Everything on the, I put new shocks on the shit, but everything down here on the bottom, bro, all the channels and shit for this. Well, I was gonna order all the moldings. The piece right here is black. It comes to everything. I get all the fucking moldings, just change the whole thing out. The mirrors, of course, have to stay. We'll paint is black. The wiper paint is black, and then whatever you need. I just started ordering all this shit, but I want them to stay.
You want like a pristine Mustang? You want?
I wanted to look just how it is. That's stock. Yeah. I mean, and my ultimate goal is I'm going to put a five lug on it.
5-lug conversion?
It's plastic back here. So on the ground, they put the fucking pipe. Is that repairable?
Yeah.
They repair all that shit. Well, they cut it, man. So I don't know if that's supposed to have the notches like that.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
So whatever we got to do, we got to fucking patch that shit back up or whatever. But
usually, like on these, my Mustang, when I had these, I had the cutoff on the bottom pump.
The down
pump?
Yeah.
That's how they usually do them.
I did this shit.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. Not on this one. On the next one, like the 94s and those, because the
that's how mine is. I have a 96.
96?
That's how mine is. I'll show you a picture.
So this dude said what happened was that he was running spray. Here's the spray hose, the nozzle.
Yeah.
Don't run nitrous on it. He wiped out and he hit a tree on that side. Well, no, he cut the frame right there.
Yeah, they cut it.
Right. So they did it right here. You can see the fucked up weld right there where they welded it. And everything looks straightened out here. But whatever we can do is getting as close as you can low. As much as you can low. And then once I pull it all out, I'll bring it to you. Mask everything up and spray the whole shit, the same color or black.
He wanted to put those panels where it covers all the holes.
Actually, I mean, if you want to go down, I mean, like, budget is not really much of an issue. I can show you some of my work. You can just shape all the firewalls, make everything fucking smooth. So all you used to have sitting is fucking 5-0.
That's what
everything is fucking
you have to run it. You have to run everything in this.
Yeah. And I'll eliminate everything that is not useful. And like your AC compressors, the lines that go in there, you can have them to go under through the bottom. Do it more for like the older models, like the C10s, the Novas. Right now, I'll show you my latest one that I did. And actually,
you're doing yours out of metal. You're making your own metal and doing it yourself. Because they'll sell you a kit where you can weld all the metal on it.
The ones that I do, I can not engrave it, but it's called like bead. I can bead it and do like little design, make it look kind of fancy.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, I mean, like I said, my thing was...
It all depends, like, how fancy you want to go.
Right. I want it to look nice. But you see this inside, until I get the Coyote in it, I mean, I was going to sell the fucking motor. Somebody said, hey, I'll give you $1,200 for it. It runs fucking badass. We got to turn it on.
Yeah, it runs good.
It runs real good.
We got it for $500 because it was kind of like, we didn't know what was wrong with it. We didn't know if the motor turned or not. So he kind of just bought it on a whim. And we put a new battery in it, and it still wouldn't start. The fuel pump wouldn't prime, so it was just a fuel pump relay. We dropped the tank, put a new fuel pump in it, cleaned out the tank, everything like that, put new plugs in it, and it ran badass for a while, and then it started misfiring again. We cleaned the injectors, started misfiring again, and it was the computer, so we swapped the computer out. Now it runs badass.
So it was just the computer maybe got fried?
Yeah, it's got that old cool computer on.
There were some capacitors fried in there. We sent it off to get it rebuilt. It fucking runs good.
So all these pockets like that, LMR has them. The hood pockets, these pockets here, they got all that shit. They're LMR.